Welcome back. Now inside of Microsoft Clipchamp, you can create a video from scratch, and this will give you a blank studio canvas, or you can start from an existing template. For example, we can start with an Instagram template. We can then choose the Instagram template. So in this case, we're going to choose an Instagram template. What we're going to do is we're going to say use this template. What you're going to notice is that the template is actually only 7 seconds. So everything that you're going to do after this video will probably be the actual video. And you're going to be able to play the template in order to view it, in order to get started, and you'll see what it will actually look like in your video. So you'll notice that at the point of 7 seconds, that's when the template ends. And this is the point at which you can begin to record an actual video or import a video that's going to appear starting at the 7-second area. What you can also do is to edit each point of the template. We can click on any element of the actual template. So for example, you're going to see here we're clicking on the hand point element. We can change the fade. We can add in a filter to that element. We can adjust the colors of that element. We can adjust the speed of this individual element. And we can do the same thing for each individual element on the timeline. For example, we can click on top of this element. You're going to see the properties appear here on the right side menu, and we can make changes according to the controls that we are given. We can change the color. We can transform the text. We can change its appearance. We can fade it. We can filter it. We can adjust the color. Now you'll notice here that even though this is a 7-second template, it covers the entire screen. If you wanted to have more of a contextual view, you can zoom out, and you'll then be able to see your timeline in its whole perspective. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.